Important questions of Bloom's taxonomy. Question number 1. According to Bloom's taxonomy, which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? Answer: creating. Question number 2. When applying Bloom's taxonomy in lesson planning, which level focuses on breaking information into parts and examining their relationship? Answer: analyzing. Question number 3. Which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves recalling facts or information without necessarily understanding their meaning? Answer: remembering. Question number 4. In Bloom's taxonomy, which level deals with organizing and connecting different ideas and concepts? Answer: understanding. Question number 5. When students are asked to summarize a story using their own words, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being assessed? Answer: understanding. Question number 6. Which of the following is an example of a verb associated with the creating level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer: design. Question number 7. When students are asked to explain the process of photosynthesis, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being addressed? Answer: understanding. Question number 8. Which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves students making judgments based on criteria and standards? Answer: evaluating. Question number 9. When students are asked to list the main events of a historical event in chronological order, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being assessed? Answer: analyzing. Question number 10. Which of the following is an example of a verb associated with the analyzing level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer: critique. Question number 11. At which level of Bloom's taxonomy do students demonstrate a deeper understanding by explaining ideas in their own words? Answer: understanding. Question number 12. Which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves using information in a new context? Answer: applying. Question number 13. When students are asked to compare and contrast two literary works, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being addressed? Answer: analyzing. Question number 14. Which of the following is an example of a verb associated with the evaluating level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer: judge. Question number 15. In Bloom's taxonomy, which level involves breaking down a complex concepts into simpler parts to gain a better understanding? Answer: analyzing. Question number 16. When students are asked to defend their opinions with supporting evidence, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being addressed? Answer: evaluating. Question number 17. Which level of Bloom's taxonomy requires students to put together elements to form a coherent or functional whole? Answer: creating. Question number 18. When students are asked to solve mathematical problems using learned formulas, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being assessed? Answer: applying. Question number 19. Which of the following is an example of a verb associated with the remembering level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer: identify. Question number 20. At which level of Bloom's taxonomy do students use evidence to support their conclusions or arguments? Answer: understanding. Question number 21. Which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves the creation of new ideas or products based on learned knowledge? Answer: creating. Question number 22. When students are asked to outline the steps of a scientific experiment, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being addressed? Answer: applying. Question number 23. Which of the following is an example of a verb associated with the understanding level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer: compare. Question number 24. At which level of Bloom's taxonomy do students demonstrate the ability to justify their choices or decisions? Answer: evaluating. Question number 25. Which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves the use of learned information in new and concrete situations? Answer: applying. Question number 26. When students are asked to evaluate the effectiveness of a marketing campaign, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being addressed? Answer: evaluating. Question number 27. Which of the following is an example of a verb associated with the applying level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer: predict. Question number 28. At which level of Bloom's taxonomy do students demonstrate an ability to judge the quality of information or arguments? Answer: evaluating. Question number 29. Which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves the use of learned concepts in complex or abstract situations? Answer: evaluating. Question number 30. When students are asked to design a new product based on engineering principles, which level of Bloom's taxonomy is being addressed? Answer: creating.